Hey, it's Andrew from CTCustomBroncos. Today we are going to be reviewing and installing the Broaddict rock rail side steps. We'll start by unboxing. Nicely packed. Looks like we have instructions right here. Slide this out of the way. Pretty sturdy. You get a pack of 2 for 2 doors, and obviously a pack of 4 for 4 doors. Alright, these look like the color plates. You bolt up right there. And it looks like these are foam pads that you put in here to protect your rock rail from scratching. Bag of hardware, and we will do the install video next. So these side steps come with these 2 color plaques, and how you install them is by putting the plaque underneath here, dropping that in there. That one as well. Take a 7mm wrench. And the Allen head. And you just tighten them down like that. Personally, I don't like either of them, and I'm just gonna leave it blank. It also comes with these little felt pads to protect the rock rail from getting scratched. On removal and installation, all you do is you pop out these little tabs, undo the double-sided tape, and what I did is, you see these holes right here? I just line up these holes here first. And just feed it into the recess. And do the same for the other side. Line up the holes. If it's misaligned, you can peel it back up. No big deal. Just kind of feather it in there. And if you want, you have some excess here, you can always trim that back. Up next is installing them on the rail. Alright, now it's time to attach the step and onto the rock rail. We are on the driver's side rear right now, and what you're going to do is you're going to place the top hooks on top of it and just push down. There's a bracket right here that you want to put this as far close to it as you can, and then you just take these studs. There's going to be 4 of them on each step. Just thread it in like that. Take the other one. There is an Allen in there that you're going to use to tighten. Do that on all 4 of them. You're going to take the Allen right here, and you're going to finish off tightening them in sequence. Just a little bit here when that's tight. Do this one. Those are tight. Now you're going to move to the front. Last but not least, you have 4 nuts. They're 13 millimeter. What's handy about this is you can use your 13 millimeter ratchet that came with your Bronco to take off your doors. Now you just put that right there. Now put these on all the studs, and you can finish off by tightening that. Do that on all 4. Nice and tight. That's the bracket I was telling you about before. This is the rears. I have the fronts installed as well. And these go right up against this bracket. You can move this back if you want to a little bit more. It depends, up to you. Alright, they're all installed now. I think they look great. Nice and sturdy. Heavy duty steel, powder coated finish. It's a great addition if you have factory rock rails or the Broaddict rock rails, and when you're hitting the trails, just take them off so you don't have to worry about damage, and put them back on when you're done. Hope you enjoyed the video.